tentative decisions taken on toilet maintenance fund. In all government schools, including residential schools and junior colleges, AYA will be positioned for the purpose of cleaning and upkeeping the toilets clean and to set standards. This shall be completed by end of January 2021. A recruitment of AYA for toilet cleaning. Up to 400 one AYA, from 401 to 800 2 AYAs, more than 800 3 AYAs. No AYA shall be positioned if there are no toilets in the school. Once toilets are constructed, the AYA shall be positioned. Eligibility shall be resident of local habitation within ward in case of urban areas. Belongs to SC, ST, PC minorities. Preferably one of the mothers. Only women in the age group of 21 to 50 years. Working AYAs shall continue with the approval of parents committee if the AYA is less than 60 years age. Salary 6,000 in both rural and urban areas, 3,000 rupees for schools having less than 50 students. Salary will be paid full for 10 months and pay off for 2 months during vacation. During vacation, also, she shall clean the toilets once in a day. Working hours part-time. For primary and upper primary schools, forenoon 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Afternoon 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. For high schools, forenoon 8:45 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. Afternoon 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Parents committee shall constitute the toilet maintenance committee to recruit and monitor the toilet maintenance with the following members: HM convener, PC members 3, engineering assistant Sachivalayam, Grama Sachivalayam, educational assistant Grama Sachivalayam, 1 designated teacher, 1 female teacher, 1 senior girl student, 1 senior boy student. Tools to be procured: toilet cleaning brush, hard brush with long handle, curb, web broom, floor wiper, mop with long handle, bucket and mug, spray bottle, reusable rubber gloves, plastic dustbin, a reflective jacket. District Committee, District Collector Chairperson, JC Vice Chairperson, DO Convener, APC Samagra, PO ITDA, DVO or RIO of junior colleges, district coordinators of all residential schools, school level monitoring, designated teacher uploads photos through his or her mobile app.